Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to Zoho CRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to other systems. For example, in Zoho CRM you can create new contacts and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Contacts. Now, choose an action. Get Contacts, New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Contacts account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Google account. We make sure to provide all access. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. For the Google Contacts system, additional settings are not provided, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see an example of data for one of your Google Contacts contacts. If you are happy with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the data source, Google Contacts, has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system Zoho CRM. Next, select the action, Create Contact. At this stage, you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password for your Zoho CRM personal account. At this stage, you need to grant ApiX-Drive access to work with your Zoho CRM account. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this point, you see Zoho CRM fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Google Contacts to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage you see an example of data that will be transferred to Zoho CRM in the form of new contacts, with each new contact from Google Contacts. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho CRM. After successful sending, go to Zoho CRM and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Zoho CRM as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.